My wife has used the hospital. My little girl has used the hospital as she had a bit of an accident, a 3-year-old. She came to the emergency services and was treated royally. Having had a hernia operation 20 years ago, this time it's been much better and much quicker. The last time that I had a hernia operation, which was quite a big scar and a big recovery, this time I have 3 tiny little scars, so my modelling career is still intact. Having now had a few different experiences of using this hospital, I can definitely say to all the staff here, thank you very much. It's been great. I feel great. It's only been 5 weeks since I had the operation, and already I've been travelling, I've been carrying on in normal life, so thank you to all the staff, and of course particularly to Dr. Weiss. We are very much seeing this as our hospital for our family for the future, so definitely. Dr. Weiss is a very good doctor, and what I like about him is he takes time to explain, and he explained to me exactly the procedure, and even after the operation he explained to me how he did the operation and how he was a bit more traditional, even using the robot in the way that he went about it to ensure that everything was just perfect. Even when I brought my daughter here, he made sure that he was involved, so he's somebody who cares.